Inbound materials are received under ESD control to protect sensitive electronics.
Each shipment is scanned to confirm quantities and traceability before acceptance.
Non-conforming items are isolated, while approved materials are released to production.
Correct stencil installation ensures accurate solder paste deposition.
Component feeders are loaded and verified to prevent placement errors.
Reflow parameters are confirmed to match the PCB and solder specification.
Automated placement positions components accurately and repeatably. The line produces populated PCBs under controlled, repeatable conditions. Inline inspection detects defects early to protect downstream processes. Repaired boards are re-verified before rejoining production. Functional testing prepares the board for system-level verification. Repaired boards must pass full functional testing before release. Qualified boards are staged for system assembly.
The logic board is seated precisely to ensure mechanical and electrical integrity.
Early power checks confirm correct battery connection before enclosure closure. Flex cable connect. Secure cable connections ensure reliable signal transmission.
Controlled hinge torque ensures smooth motion and durability.
Align the EDP cable connector and press firmly into the socket. Secure the locking bar. Apply the Captain retention tape.
Audio components are positioned with acoustic sealing for sound quality. Secure antenna connections are verified to ensure connectivity.
The enclosure is closed with precise alignment to protect internals. Fasteners are tightened to specification and recorded for traceability. First system power confirms basic assembly integrity.
Correct firmware is installed to enable full system functionality.
End-of-line testing validates full system operation.
User inputs are verified for accuracy and responsiveness. Connectivity and audio performance are confirmed.
Thermal performance is validated to protect long-term reliability. Electrical safety tests ensure user protection.
Customer-ready software is installed in a controlled environment.
Label verification prevents downstream shipping errors.
Protective packaging prevents damage during transport.
Sealed boxes protect contents and indicate product integrity.
External labels link packaged units to logistics systems.
Weight checks confirm all required contents are present.
Out-of-tolerance packs are removed to prevent shipment errors.
Corrected packs are re-verified before release. Sealed cartons protect products during bulk transport. Case labels ensure accurate warehouse tracking and shipment. Automated palletizing creates stable loads for transport.
Wrapped pallets are secured and labeled for warehouse storage.
Approved pallets are moved into finished goods storage. Packaging waste is compacted for efficient recycling.
Electronic waste is secured and documented for certified recycling.
Non-recyclable materials are stored safely for licensed disposal.
Customer orders trigger controlled pallet retrieval. Staging organizes pallets for efficient loading.
Pallets are positioned to maintain stability during transport.
Mechanical restraints prevent movement in transit.
Seals protect shipment integrity until delivery. Finished products depart for distribution. Freed storage locations are made available for future production.
Production continues in a controlled, steady-state environment.
Key indicators are monitored to maintain consistent performance. Routine maintenance preserves accuracy and uptime.
ESD controls are verified to protect sensitive electronics.
Cleared rework areas confirm stable production quality. Environmental controls support consistent build quality.
Packaging continues smoothly under standard operating conditions. Line-side replenishment prevents interruptions in packaging.
We had a spike in aluminum scrap here, likely from the downtime on line 3.
All right, that explains it. Everything else looks good.
Okay, the sensor calibration is complete. I'm checking that off the list now.
Got it. My tablet is updated. We should monitor the yield rate for the next shift.
The factory operates as an integrated system from receipt to shipment.
Dispatch, this is Supervisor. Truck 4 to Atlanta is clear.
Over.
Staged pallets await their scheduled dispatch.
Recycling and waste streams are prepared for licensed pickup.
Documentation confirms the build met all required standards.
Manufacturing and logistics conclude in a controlled state.
Finished goods are stored securely until distribution.
Stable utilities support continuous, reliable production.
Safety systems remain in place to protect people and operations. Each step connects to deliver consistent product quality.
The factory completes another full production cycle.